At Construction Informatics and Digital Enterprise Laboratory under Leeds Beckett University, we have executed various externally funded projects by different research bodies of value £5 million. We have developed solutions that automate time-consuming and repetitive tasks, enhanced sustainability, diagnosed non-conformances, supported air quality management, and improved the cost-effectiveness of construction projects. We also employed digital technologies in addressing some challenges facing other industries, including education and agriculture. Our projects include AutoBIM, FireBIM, Adaptable, EduRite, eBIM, and many more. Let's start with our flagship project, AutoBIM. It is a collaborative research and development project that aims to inspire and facilitate the adoption of building information modeling through a set of digital solutions that supports organizational BIM adoption, compliance, and collaboration. The ability of building information modeling to achieve its potential benefits of 33% lower cost, 50% faster delivery, 50% lower emissions, and 50% improvement in export as touted by the Government Task Force on BIM are currently impeded by several challenges. The main challenge remains to get everyone involved in collaborative projects to use CDE and to ascertain the exact level of information required for different aspects and types of assets. To address these challenges, our project adopts a cross-disciplinary approach through the innovative combination of BIM and construction knowledge with expertise in machine learning, big data analytics, and software development. The project involves the creation of an innovative tool as a plug-in to BIM models. These include automated naming of BIM model in a CDE approach. The AutoBIM name automates the process of naming models and files by developing an intuitive plug-in tool within the BIM environment. It also automates the process of generating a task information delivery plan and master information delivery plan. AutoBIM Design Model Health Check. The platform facilitates the design of health check procedures and minimizes project risk through the early identification of missing information. The automated process will assist design managers in being able to do their design health checks more consistently and effectively, deploying lessons learned from the project to the project. Automated Carbon Calculator. The platform offers a consistent and practical solution for the measurement and optimization of the embodied carbon of a building right from the design stage. The AutoBIM Carbon Calculator automatically links BIM data to embodied carbon data from the inventory of carbon and energy database or through EPD information input by the users. Machine learning-enabled hazard tagging. Using a large repository of health and safety information, this platform automated the identification, tagging, and reporting of health and safety risks associated with the construction of different building elements and components. Task delivery plans TIDP and MIDP generators. An automated portal for collaborative development and generation of both Task Information Delivery Plan, TIDP, and Master Information Delivery Plan. The AutoBIM Carbon Calculator, one of the 4 key project outputs, contributes to Balfour Beatty's journey to going beyond net zero carbon emissions by 2040. The use of this tool has evidenced a potential saving of up to 14% embodied carbon through more informed design choices. One other output of the AutoBIM project that is already making significant impacts through early supply chain integration is the automated MIDDP portal. FireBIM. This project aimed to automate the process of fire safety compliance diagnostics in a BIM-enabled environment, ensuring that fire safety requirements are indicated through a decision support system, and areas of non-conformances are highlighted on building design. According to the government's commissioned report and several other studies, integration of fire performance diagnostics with building information modeling is the optimal approach for mitigating fire disasters, as regulations and standards are written in natural languages. The project aims to create an intelligent, innovative system as a BIM-based solution consisting of two key elements. Design diagnostics platform for fire performance compliance. Automatically diagnosing designs for compliance with provisions of targeted regulations. Identifying areas of non-conformances. Highlighting uncertified areas. Suggesting optimal design solutions. Materials and components decision support for fire performance. Highlighting fire rating requirements. Digitizing a plethora of valid solutions. Suggesting specifications for meeting performance standards. Flagging up the design solutions when unsafe for purpose. Fire BIM offers automated fire-compliant diagnostics and optimization to prevent future occurrences of fire disasters, by ensuring those who try to cut corners would be held to account. The solution would be used for new builds and refurbishment projects. Adaptable. A significant proportion of the UK's aging and disabled population desire to stay put in their own house, thereby enhancing community engagement, self-esteem, privacy, and a high level of activity. To enable this, the government has the statutory responsibility to provide financial assistance for housing adaptation. There are 6 phases in adaptation process and takes time to get funding approved. However, the time to complete the process ranges significantly, with some taking up a bit longer. Delay in the adaptation process hinders the benefits of the Disabled Facilities Grant, putting pressure on health and social care, with resultant effects on the standard of living for disabled and aged people. To streamline the processes involved from application through installation to management of the adapted homes, the Adaptable project involves the development of 5 integrated platforms. Through the portal, user can evaluate their homes to get recommendations for their adaptation need, assess whether they qualify for the Disabled Facility Grant, and apply for a Disabled Facility Grant through their local authorities. If not qualify, then get advice on alternative funding sources. Different partners collaborated on a mission to make life easy for people who need it the most. IDURIGHT. IDURIGHT aimed at addressing the attainment gaps that have been affecting the UK educational system for years, and reduce the adverse effects of COVID disruption on pupils' education through the collection of gap-closing modules, a multi-level performance tracking and management solution, and a holistic diagnostics system. The education system in the UK is among the greatest in the world. However, a number of obstacles have prevented many students from learning well in world-class learning environments. According to the government report, it will take 50 years to close the attainment gap in schools. IDURIGHT project provides integrated digital solutions for diagnosing and analyzing vulnerabilities, along with a mentorship program of activities that align with a different vulnerability, a performance diagnostics and monitoring platform along with a gap-bridging program of learning, and a multi-criteria performance analytics and management platform. E-Beam. Building information modeling has evolved into the industry standard for the execution of construction projects. This is partly driven by the UK government's mandate for the use of BIM on all centrally procured projects since 2016. This mandate prompted the creation of numerous standards, guidelines, and protocols. However, there has been a major gap between BIM in theory and BIM in practice. This project aimed to develop an intelligent collaborative BIM management platform for efficient standardization, auto-production, communication, and coordination of BIM processes, tasks, documents, and information among project stakeholders in order to facilitate information consistency and facilitate realizing BIM benefits. It consists of 4 key functionalities: BIM Project Management Decision Support Module, BIM Workflow Optimization Manager, BIM Document Production Assistant, and Automated BIM Execution Planner. a web-based, mobile-compliant BIM project management that digitizes the ideal role of BIM manager and automates several manual BIM processes, information exchange, and documentation. Some other projects we worked on are Replast, Adage, LiveTap, Pass, and AirPot. Replast, Waste to Wealth. The use of plastic waste to produce cheaper and better interlocking paving blocks. Nigeria is the largest waste generator in Africa. 70% of plastic waste that ends up in landfill gets burnt to reduce volume for increased landfill capacity. Waste pickers collecting plastics to sell to recyclers is a common sight in landfills. However, with few recyclers and too many pickers, supply is outpacing demand, leading to ridiculously low prices of around 3 pence per kilogram of sorted waste plastics. This project seeks to develop more affordable interlocking paving blocks, produced from recycling unwashed plastic and little sand with UV stabilizers to prevent degradation. This will lead to higher prices for unwashed plastics and support better, healthier, and more estimable means of plastics aggregation. Adage. Automatic DFMA Design Generator, an Internet of Things tool to instill adoption of DFMA by building designers. Current construction methods are slow, costly, poor quality, and relatively unsafe. Compared to the manufacturing industry, its poor productivity has cost UK economy £140 billion over 20 years. Alluding to the issue, the government supports the implementation of design for manufacture and assembly. DFMA trial projects led to reduction of 60%, 44%, and 70% plus in duration, cost, and on-site labor respectively, with 73% improvement in quality and 80% improvement in overall productivity, compared to traditional methods. This project thus aims to use digital means to encourage a wider DFMA adoption, by developing a BIM software plugin that automatically generates DFMA concept designs based on key building design parameters. From the project brief. The proposed plugin employs blockchain technology, cloud computing, artificial intelligence algorithms, and big data analytics to develop the Adage system, which includes Automatic DFMA Concept Design Generator, to generate multiple concept designs based on input parameters. DFMA Component Advisor, to suggest components usable to edit an adopted DFMA concept design. DFMA Component Availability and Price Checker, and DFMA Designs Comparison Tool. The relationship between air pollution and ill health is becoming clearer, and a variety of air pollutants have been confirmed or suspected to have harmful effects on both the environment and human health. The World Health Organization in 2018 suggests that air pollution is a major environmental health risk, and that 4.2 million premature deaths are associated with exposure to small particulate matter alone. We develop solutions that measure, estimate, predict, and communicate air quality information. Our projects, LiveTap, Pass, and AirPot, employs data from air quality sensors and machine learning algorithm to display air quality information at a localized level, for the current day and up to 7 days ahead. We also develop a postcode unit-based air quality analytics dashboard for local authorities. Our result displays and recommendations are based on the DEFRA Daily Air Quality Index along with recommended actions and health advice. At Construction Informatics and Digital Enterprise Lab, we engage in innovative and applied projects that solve real-life problems. We have developed solutions that automate time-consuming activities that enhance productivity, profitability, and sustainability. We are here to collaborate with you.